never throw away those banana peels. Benefits of banana peel for your health. Bananas are a sweet, mushy fruit that is incredibly favored worldwide. However, their thick, fibrous peels are less well-liked as a food source, at least in Western nations. Banana peels, however, are not only safe to eat, in contrast to popular misconception, but they also provide a variety of health advantages. Eating banana peels has health and environmental benefits in addition to nutritional ones. The most popular fresh fruit in America is the banana. You may reduce the amount of food that ends up in landfills by eating the peels. Depending on how ripe they are, bananas and banana peels can each provide a different set of health advantages. While riper, blackened bananas have been demonstrated to support white blood cells in their battle against disease and infection, underripe, green bananas may be more useful in addressing stomach disorders. Remember that many of these studies involved rats rather than people, so further analysis are required to discover whether bananas have the same effects on people. The following are a few possible health advantages of banana peels. 1. Relieving depression. Together with the B6 found in banana peels, bananas' high tryptophan content might lessen some of the symptoms of depression and other mood disorders. As tryptophan degrades, serotonin is produced, which elevates your mood. Vitamin B6 can aid in enhancing sleep, which over time has a favorable effect on mood. 2. Digestive health. Fiber-rich banana peels can aid in digestion, regulation, and relieve diarrhea and constipation. For those who suffer from Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome, this is one of the most significant advantages of banana peels. 3. Better vision. Your eyes can remain healthy and powerful with the aid of vitamin A. Bananas and banana peels both contain large amounts of this vitamin. 4. Could reduce cancer risk. Polyphenols, carotenoids, and other antioxidants found in banana peels help your body fight cancer-causing free radicals. More banana peel consumption, especially of the green, unripe variety, can boost antioxidant levels and lower cancer risk. Banana peels have been studied for their anti-cancer qualities in test tubes rather than on humans. To determine whether banana peels can reduce a person's risk of developing cancer, more research is required. Nutrition in a serving. There is currently no established nutritional profile for banana peels because the precise makeup of the fruit is still being studied. The nutrients present specifically in banana peels are influenced by a number of variables. Bananas do contain certain nutrients, but they are easily accessible. About what one medium banana gives. 105 calories. 0 grams of fat. G of carbohydrates, 27. 14 grams of sugar. 3 grams of fiber. 1 gram of protein. Additionally, bananas are a great provider of potassium, a vitamin, C vitamin, calcium, iron. Additional nutrients are present in the banana peels itself, such as vitamin B6, B12 vitamin, magnesium, potassium, fiber, protein. Getting rid of banana peel. Banana peel can be used to produce a deliciously healthy dessert or a healthy afternoon snack. If you use your imagination, you'll quickly realize why cooks all across the world frequently leave the banana peels on. The peel of a banana is tougher and more bitter than the banana's interior, which is soft and sweet. Your banana's peel will be sweeter and softer the riper it is. In order to get rid of any fertilizer or chemicals the fruit may have been sprayed with, it's also crucial to carefully wash the peel. Banana peel can be prepared in a variety of ways to enhance its flavor. Smoothies after being blended. Sugar and water are caramelized to make an ice cream topping. Baked with sugar and cinnamon. Eaten with a spoon after being softened by boiling. Created from bananas and used as salad dressing vinegar. Topped with meat after cooking.